Hey guys, today in front of me is Odyssey G9, Samsung's Odyssey G9. This is a curved monitor and it's huge. It's 49-inch and its curvature actually, they claim that its curvature actually matches that of a human eye. 49-inch, so the size is huge. I already actually used 34-inch monitor but I really loved that 34-inch monitor, and I wanted to expand on that and increase the width of my display. So here we are with the Odyssey G9, and I'm going to try this out now and see how it goes. So now I'm going to open it up for you, and let's see what's inside it. I had to actually wait for a few months for it to be imported because it wasn't available where I am right now, and but I hope that it was worth it. बड़े ही प्यार से Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh boy. Let me actually give you an idea. Oh, could you look at that? Look at the curvature like this radius, and feel it like how sharp the radius is. Look how sharply the monitor is curving. Like if you look at the back and bottom, everything is really cool. And yeah, these are right now tape that we are going to take off, but let's first start assembling. So this is the stuff for the base, like bottom, standing, and we'll figure out what are these for. These were the cables included, or accessories, whatever you want to call them. This one is display cable. Then we have KVM switch, the USB cable, USB to KVM hub. So the monitor has a smartness which is called built-in KVM switch, which allows you to plug in the USB devices inside the monitor, and then once you switch the laptop, if for example if you have two laptops, their HDMI or display cables coming into the monitor, so once you switch to a different laptop, the USB devices will switch, like your keyboard and mouse. You don't need to plug them to the new laptop, since you have plugged them inside the monitor, and the monitor has switched the laptop, so everything will switch. But for that you will need this cable. So this is Odyssey G9 in all its glory, and you can see that this is the slot for actually headphone jack. Then there is a cable management system as well, and if you take it out, you can see that the cables will come here, go in there, so cables will be hidden. This area is for RGB, and overall you can see. And this is actually for bracket, like if you want to mount your monitor with some existing arm like you have lying around in the home or buy new, so there are 4 screws, then this bracket. So this is our Odyssey G9 finally assembled and set up with my MacBook that is lying right behind this monitor. You can't probably see it, but this is assembled one, and in all its glory, so you can feel the curvature and everything else. Main purpose for me to achieve this is to actually tile multiple windows in horizontal fashion. So for example, if I have this slack here, okay, so this is already done. As you can see, uh, my main purpose is to have windows like this. So right now we have two, but I would like to have three windows side by side to do multitasking, one for communication, one for development, one for the output of that development. And similarly, you can add another window for browsing. Right now it's working at 120 hertz. It is a 5K display at 120 hertz, and there is a nice button here that you can use to select input. Then you have your menus. All the menus are here. You can select the lighting that is behind it, and every other setting regarding the gaming and everything else. There is one drawback that I have felt till this moment is this wobble like this one, but other than that it's really good, and the screen size is huge. I mean, you can't go longer than that, so it's really huge. I think I'm going to really like it. Other than that, you can see that you can the stand is very standard, go up and down. You can tilt it like that, tilt vertically or tilt horizontally like this. See, so but still there is a wobble. So, and yeah, and fun. I'm going to try it, and then I will let you know, guys, how I feel about it. And meanwhile, please let me know how do you feel, and I hope you liked it and found it useful. And I will keep sharing more. Thank you.